Hello, so welcome to day 5. It's about 4 in the afternoon. We've chilled out hard this morning. Well, it turns out all of us were very tired and really just wanted to have a lie-in today. It's our last day in Slovenia before we go to Venice tomorrow morning for a 3-hour coach ride at 7 AM. Yes. So we've got the room kind of clean, we've got everything sort of organised, so we got rid of the car back at the airport. I stayed and edited my video and went for a little wander around Slovenia. It was lovely. So now we're just going to go have some beers in the garden in the hostel, which you can probably hear. Alright, so we have left the hostel finally at 5:29 PM. Well, to be fair, I've left the hostel. These guys have already been outside, I've just been lazy. So we're going to go explore Ljubljana Castle, get some food, because apparently the takeout here, what is it called again? Hood Burger is apparently better than any other fast food ever. We've already checked it out online, it does seem pretty cheap and pretty amazing. But we want to check out this castle before we can't, basically, because this is our last day in Slovenia, so we do want to get to the top of that and check it out. Alright. So the castle is at the top of that hill. There is a sort of tram thing that goes down there, which we're going to try and get to. Excuse me, I have had a bit already. The castle is right at the top of Ljubljana, so hopefully we'll be able to see all of this when we get to the top. I'll tell you what, crossing the road here is sketchy. Jaywalking is illegal, so you've got to wait for the green man. But being English, it's really hard to get over there's no cars, I better walk. But it's mental, even when the green light is for turning right, that right turn would be green for the people to cross. What? If that was England, you'd have arguments constantly. Thankfully it's not, and they don't argue, it's quite peaceful. It's pretty cool. Off we go. Which way are we going? The sunny way or the shady way? Shady way?
That's where the map's taking me, bitch.
Follow the maps. As I said the other day, Google Maps is the Bible, especially when you're in a foreign country.
I'm sick.
The famous Ljubljana kangaroo water fountain.
Kangaroos are famous for being in Ljubljana.
Go on, Alex.
I'm getting hat wet.
Oh, fuck mine.
Got a one-way ticket to get into a glass lift that takes us all the way up the mountain. One, two, three, 4. Cameras. Oh, and 5.
We're right tourists.
Check it out. We've got it to the top of the mountain and it's just this mad building. Lots of people, but I guess this is just more supporting stuff for the tourism of the castle. Oh, look. The dragon selfie.
Maybe.
Oh, Alex wants a selfie. Selfie queen Alex. Do it. Look.
Oh, wow.
Nobility prison cell.
Nobility.
I'm going up, Alex.
Alright.
I'm going up. Oh. There's lots of information here about the renovation of everything. The history that they appreciate here in Ljubljana and Croatia is amazing. I mean, so far everywhere I've travelled there's a good amount of history that they appreciate. Like when I went to Malta, we went to an art museum and it had loads and loads of information about where the us Brits managed to invade them, stuff like that. It's cool. History is very interesting and it's also nice to see all these people taking an interest in it as well. Saved your life.
Nearly dropped my phone.
Sorry. So, okay, this is, oh Christ, okay. There we go. Oh, that's noisy. That is noisy. But at least you can get an idea of made it to the top. I'm well aware that this microphone does not do jack shit for the wind, so I know you can't hear me very well. So you're just gonna have to enjoy the view.
If you want to see the movie about the castle's history, the next one is in 15 minutes.
Thank you very much. That's perfect. Thank you very much. Finally made it to the top of the castle. Check out the view. So we just had a virtual sort of history tour of Ljubljana Castle. Turns out it's been changing hands for, you know, over 1,000 years. It's very interesting. It's had Attila the Hun, it's had Napoleon, and then eventually, after all the history, the current mayor bought it as property for Ljubljana. And the townspeople were saying, oh, you know, what good is this? What can they do with that? And he said that they're going to convert it into, you know, a tourist attraction, somewhere that's enjoyable during the summer and visitable during the winter. It was fascinating. It's incredible. And there was a visitor's book, and I may have written my Instagram handle in it. So we found another exhibition called Guardians of the Past, and it's full of all this information about the guardians of Ljubljana Castle when it was still a military base and or prison. And it's full of these amazing bits of artwork and information about the history and all of the warfare that Ljubljana Castle has had to endure over the years. Whoa. Guys. That's cool. Some chainmail. And this is Ljubljana Castle over the years, I guess. Yeah. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put the chainmail on.
It's a bit small there, mate.
Yeah. They obviously had smaller heads back in the day.
So we might have a little problem. He's gotten himself stuck in the chainmail. Does this say don't try it?
No, it says you can
Oh,
wear
it says you do.
One more.
Oh, this is too funny.
Oh my god.
Were you a bit scared then?
Yeah, I was getting claustrophobic then.
That was amazing. Feels so strange.
This is doing that thing that happened earlier, didn't take the photo.
Oh, it's not taking a photo, that's why it's a video. Do you get it?
Oh yeah, I didn't realise I was filming for you.
No, yeah,
man.
that's the whole point, man. It was filming. The Infinity Gauntlet. It's a lot heavier than you'd think.
Very
That's
heavy, right?
Cool. I've always wanted to try on a bit.
It's like that
chainmail.
Simpsons episode where he slaps someone, doesn't he? You know, in the back of the glove.
Oh, you up for it?
No.
Who's up for a backhand from a metal glove?
Definitely not.
Beth?
No.
Volunteer.
Jamie's already been stuck in a chainmail suit.
Oh, well, it does hurt. I mean, it felt great. Who wants it?
Surprise, Mike.
So it turns out we weren't actually very far. Because that was the square where I showed you the guy playing the accordion. Oh no, that's where Alex was singing Cheese on Toast. No, that's where that was. So we're really around the corner actually. Oh, where are we going? This way? No? Not that way. How far to Hoodburger? Oh!
Told you like 3 times.
Apparently I've been told this 3 times. Maybe I shouldn't be having beers at 3 in the afternoon. So we found this like blown up glove thing. But underneath it there's these weird little faces. They're all just the strangest little things. And it just goes all the way down.
Se non giocano un anno non giocano più.
Hello, puppy. Aww. We still haven't found anywhere to eat. As I said it. Perfect.